Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work.
Hello, human. You worked the 9 to 5, but are you ready for infinite overtime? Hello, human, and welcome to the exciting world of
Overtime.
When you're ready to start, go ahead and pull the first ticket.
Hey, human, I like to do my shopping in the middle of the night. You know those really small...
Hot dog.
I want one of those, but humongous. This paper entitles me to a reduction in price. This won't bring me
30 minutes.
of happiness. They say money can't buy happiness, but I think it just did.
Hi, human. I like to do my shopping in the middle of the night. I really could go for
Fireworks.
right now. I need to consume.
Burrito.
Earn that money, human. Thanks. Have a good night.
Human, I worked all day and now I need to play my role as
Consumer.
I could really go for
Hot dog.
right now. "100% of humans report positive reactions to..."
Originality.
Can you check if you have one? I was really looking forward to using it. I guess I'll pay cash. Why don't you take credit? Same time tomorrow night? Humans dissatisfied with clerks were known to ask to speak with a manager, who would usually bribe the customer to go away.
It's really late and I really need to get some things before I go home. One,
Popsicle.
please. If you can jumbo it, why wouldn't you? Can I get a jumbo?
Gum.
Money is a social construct. I hope this stuff doesn't get wet when I go outside.
Promoted again. Keep this up and you'll be running this place in no time.
Good evening, shopkeeper. I definitely bought this steak here, but it doesn't go with my personality. Could I get a refund?
Bot number 0416. Well, remember this.
Good evening, kind shopkeeper. My life isn't complete without...
Burrito.
I have this coupon here. Money is a social construct. Build yourself a future with this. Now I can get back to job.
I wish they would make a popsicle with my face on it.
I love buying substances made entirely from artificial ingredients. I would like
Chips.
I need the biggest
Candy bar.
you have. Jumbo size one for me. That seems like an appropriate price. This transaction was
Pleasant.
I told my family I just stepped out for a minute. There is nothing quite like a late night.
Hot dog.
I need a huge...
Burrito.
Go big or go home, human. Please accept this paper currency. Haha, yeah, I finally have a paper bag of my own.
I need to use the bathroom. Oh, it's closed for the night? Might as well buy something while I'm here. I would like...
Slushy.
I need...
mullet,
You have those, right? Do you have any in the stock room? Well, this is a disappointment. Oh, cash money for goods! You're such a great...
convenience store clerk,
I'd bake you a cake, but nothing is sweeter than a promotion. Have that instead.